Yo, as a Capricorn to another Capricorn, let me say this. No boy, no girl can boost up the world boss to go clash with mosquito. You understand me I say? I just want you to know this. No boy, no girl can boost up the world boss to go clash with massacre. Because here we go on. Capricorn not even drink supplement. So no boy or no girl can come boost we up like you feel like say yo, we are supplement around here. You understand me I say? I just want you to know this still. No boy, no girl, no foot a swipe, no one at all can boost up the world boss. We clash with massacre. You understand me I say? I just want you to know that still. Capricorn people, we not take boasting. You understand me I say? I just that want to know still. I'm out.